Hey guys, Kanish Lachelle here, and in today's video I am doing some much needed cleaning. Some cleaning that I really don't want to do, but I have to do it because if I don't do it, it's not going to get done. But here you see are several products that I'm going to be using today to clean my bathroom. Pretty much I wanted to record this video to show you guys some tips and tricks, or should I say some bathroom life hacks. If you guys do enjoy this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, and I shall see you guys in my next one. Hey guys, so before we get into the cleaning part of this video, I want to talk about these two products that you see on the screen, which is this blue substance here in this old beat up little awesome bottle and the apple cider vinegar. So I know many of you may have questions in regards to why do you see the apple cider vinegar in this video instead of plain white vinegar. Well, let me inform you on a little something. So apple cider vinegar offers the same benefits as the plain white vinegar, and I believe a little bit more. One thing about the apple cider vinegar is that, for one, it's much more pleasant in smell, and they both have the same acidity level when it comes to using, to clean or disinfect among household areas. Like you can clean the floors, you can clean drains, and apple cider vinegar is also like a non-toxic cleaning agent versus the plain white vinegar or other cleaning agents. So in this awesome bottle here, I have some Dawn detergent. Dawn is one of the go-to soaps to use when it comes to cleaning. It works well with cleaning off soap scum, breaking down grease, breaking down mold. Yes, it does. It breaks down mold. Not a lot, but it does break down those particles so that it's easier to come or lift up off the surface so you can get your cleaning done more effectively. So what I have here, like I said, I have the Dawn in here, and I'm actually going to mix parts of Dawn and apple cider vinegar together. This is going to be my main, I had a little stutter there, but this is going to be like my main cleaning agent to use in the bathroom today. I'm also going to be using some Comet. This is my go-to. I know a lot of people like to joke when it comes to black people, they just throw Comet on stuff and let it sit. Why we do that is because it works. But it will work much more once you add water to this so that it can fizzle up, and do what it needs to do. I also have my scrubbing sponges here that I'm going to be using. Also, I'm going to be using some regular washcloths that I will not be using to clean my body afterwards. I do have a set of washcloths that I keep in my room in a certain drawer for when it comes to cleaning, and I continue to use those each time that I clean. And then of course next I'm going to be using some bleach. Awesome, although bleach is not the same anymore, and I guess unless you get a specific kind, I have not found out exactly what that kind is, but I'm going to be using it just to make myself feel as though I'm doing a much more thorough clean. So when I get in the shower or put my butt on the toilet seat or go to the sink, I know I'm straight. So right now I'm going to show y'all how and another thing too, mold. Yeah, it happens, it occurs. Yeah, it happens. I know that I'm not the only one that experiences it, so we're going to leave that at that. So now back to the whole apple cider vinegar and Dawn situation. We are going to mix the two together. Let me pull over here so y'all can see. See how well my pouring skills are. It's sliding down my hand. I got a bit better grip. Okay. So that's about good. Just like that. Alright. Where did my top thingy go? Alright, you guys. Now we're gonna put our topping on. And we're gonna shake her up. And I am 3 minutes into this video already, about to be 4. So I will make note when it's time for me to edit to inform you guys. If you guys don't want to see this part of the video, then you just can skip to 4 minutes, and we are at 3:53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, and I'm gonna cut it at 4, and let's get to cleaning. Big boy, look at all that scum, soap scum, dead skin cells. Just a lot of nastiness. One thing that I would, if I can inform anyone out there, after you take showers, try to clean after you exit the shower. Like seriously, that's something that I have been doing for the last 2 years because I've been watching YouTube videos, and I see that once you clean up behind yourself more, things will become easier to clean. Look at this. Yeah, we got to do some cleaning here, buddy. We got to do some cleaning, so let's get to it. And keep that in mind. And when you live in older modern houses, like, you can have problems with the plumbing, you can have problems with plumbing, water, just a lot of stuff. And one thing that a lot of people don't realize is that when you move in after someone, you have to take into account to how clean that person was while they were living in this. Did they really clean the way that they were supposed to? Did they clean out the drain after they knew that there was a hair buildup? Did they clean the drain? You just have to be mindful of what happened before you got or move into a place, especially if it's not new. You have to take account on things that you have to do differently or take more precautionary steps. And I may be, talking a little bit too much, but we do have a problem with like water buildup sometimes. The drain is physically clean here. You really can't see it looks clear from here, but I feel as though once you get all the way down there and make a turn or whatever, it's something that's causing that water to stand. Once you run it for a while, it'll stand, and then everything, all that dirt that's in the actual holes and pipes and stuff is pushing up, and then that's when you have ring, you have old dirt, skin cells, just dirt, everything, ew, just everything. But yeah, spray some more now that I'm talking about it. Just gonna spray. And